Look at the problem they have given. Using binomial expansion method, find the production for the year 2001 and 2005. Okay, they have given x values, that is years, and the y values, production. Okay, so we have to find out the 2001 production and 2005 production. So first we have to write how many values we know. So how many values you know? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 known values. So write we know only 4 values. Okay, so therefore equation is y minus 1 to the power of 4 equals 0. We know only 4 values, so to the power of 4 will come. If we know 5 values, y minus 1 to the power of 5 equals 0 will come. Okay, so how to write values for 4 known values? By using the Pascal triangle. See, when you look at the Pascal triangle, the fourth value is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. This is the fourth value. So write down the fourth value, that is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and give the signs here, that is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, and we know only 4 values, so y4, y3 and y2, y1 and y0. Okay, if we know 5 values, it will start with 5. We know only 4 values, so it will start with 4. Don't write y0, y1 like that. Write in a descending order, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to substitute the equation. See here, when you written in a vertical form, now we have to write in a horizontal form, that is plus 1 y4 minus 4 y3 plus 6 y2 minus 4 y1 plus 1 y0 equals 0. Okay, y minus 1 to the power of 4 means this one equals 0. Okay, equals 0. Then you have to substitute plus 1 y4. What is the y4 value here? Here see, this is the values, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So y4 value is 130. So write down 130 minus 4, y3 value we don't know, so y3 as it is. Then plus 6 y2 value 70. Write down 70 minus 4 y1 value, that is 40. Write down 40 plus y0 value 20 equals 0. Okay, now substitute it. Plus 130 into 1, it will be 130 minus 4y3 plus 70 into 6, 420 minus 4 into 40, 160 plus 20 into 1, 20 equals 0. Now you have to substitute the values. Take plus signs, or you can do using calculator from the beginning. Plus 130, then again what is there? Plus 420 minus 160, then again what is there? Plus 20 equals 410. The answer you got is 410. So write down 410. So the remaining is 4y3. Okay, so y3 equals 410 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 102.5. Okay, 410 divided by 4 102.5. 102.5. So y3 equals 102.5. Okay, see, now we got the y3 value here. So we got the y3 value. So how many values you know now? 5 values. Okay, 5 values you know. So increase this with 5. That is same 14641 Pascal triangle values. Then here plus minus plus minus plus. Then here y. 5 known values are there now. So y5, y4, y3, y2 and y1. Okay, then substitute it. Plus 1 y5 minus 4 y4, that is horizontal way, plus 6 y3 minus 4 y2 plus 1 y1 equals 0. So plus 1 y5 we don't know, y5 value minus 4 into y4 value. Y4 value is 130 plus 6 into y3 value. Y3 value we found out, that is 102.5. 102.5. Then again y2 value 70 they have given, y1 value they have given 40 equals 0. So here minus 4 into 130 520 plus 6 into 102.5 615 minus 4 into 70 280 plus 40 into 1 40 equals 0. So here take all the additions first. Plus 615 plus 40 minus 520 minus 280 equals minus 145. So plus 1 y5 equals minus 145, and plus and minus will get cancelled. So 1 y5 equals 145. y5 equals 145 divided by 1. 1 ones are 145. So y5 equals 145. So therefore production for the year 2001 is 102.5, and for 2005 is 145.